Hello, everybody. A pleasant Good Friday to you. If you are a Rasta, then apparently here is Bad Friday. Bad Friday, me can't say pleasant Bad Friday to you. If you are none of the above, then Friday, the weekend reach, TGIF and all of these things. Um, I know that I was to upload a vlog from long time, but please don't crucify me. See that? Crucify, that was an Easter joke because this vlog is about Easter. And yes, it was corny, and yes, I am leaving it in there. If when I said Easter, what came to your mind was for some reason a giant bunny hiding eggs in the bushes, this is not the vlog for you. Honestly, me not have nothing against the Easter egg them, you know. Me love nyam them. Them come in a little gold paper. Me love tear off the paper and just tear them up. But honestly, a bunny cannot lay egg. It is biologically impossible. So I don't understand why it become a part of tradition. But I am talking about a Jamaican Easter now. And Jamaican Easter is based around Bun and Cheese, Fry Sprat, Ben and Moses. Yeah. It's only one thing you can yam. Two things you can yam. The first thing being Bun and Cheese. You see, right now, I'm kind of sensitive on the bun issue, you know. As you may know, I am not home. And where I am presently, I them don't have any bun and cheese. Them don't have no bun and cheese. So, I text my father and I tell my father I don't have no bun and cheese. And the man was so wicked as to take the blackberry when me teach him how to use. Take a picture of the bun that he's making and send it to me. See the bun them here. See the bun them. Bad mind, grudgeful, and envious. So what am I gonna do when the bun ya bust? You see the bun them? Not one slice of that me I get, you know. I call my mother for large complaint. My mother make me know say, oh, she have bun by the abundance. I'm say, Jesus Christ. Anyways, it's fine. So come Easter, nothing else now yam. Me don't know what it is that people just develop a taste. You know, say outside of Easter, only look around bun and me but come Easter, me only want the loaf bun. It training and me say me only want the loaf bun. When me get hype now and start go road come Easter time and beach Juve, me I carry one bun go down there with me. Big up all the beach Juve crew. Ray, everybody tailor it for me. Anyway, yeah, straight bun what I talk about for Easter. If you're going to somebody's yard, you have to carry bun. If people come into your yard, them have to carry bun. If you employ people, you have to give them buns as gift. If you are employed by someone, you are to expect to get buns as gifts. Raisin and stout and browning cannot find in the shop because the bun them are selling out. Now, you always have one somebody who gonna carry a no-name bun that nobody want to eat. It is not Whitfield, it is not Maxfield, it is not Purity, it is not National, and it is not HTB. The bun is too dark, it have too much fruit, and it bitter. Stop carrying this bun. Nobody want to eat that bun. When people get that bun, they put it in the back of the thing. Is it eat last and it stay there and grow ginger. Or we re-gift the bun to somebody else and the bun just go in a circle till sometime you want to get it back, or the bun it finally get out of date and you have to throw it away. Stop giving people these buns. The best buns have the best ads. If the bun don't have an ad to something like, Scatterman, what's on your mind? Or like, when you're eating Easter bun, make sure it's HDB. It's hard to beat because it's got that something quality. I used to know what that something was, but then I start go session now and one dancehall group make one song about when you're smoking high grade, make sure it's from Kiki. So from that now, I can't remember how the original ad go. These dancehall people are destroying my childhood memories. Anyway, bun. Bun for everything. Bun for every single thing. Me hear people are talking about how bun can buy them up. Me personally would take the buying because it is worth it. Because I like buns a lot. I like bun a lot. Second thing Easter I got to talk to you about. Sprat. Sprat and every other kind of fish known to man. You see when Easter come? Cow and goat and pig sit down in a circle and laugh because finally fish get them come up and them a get murder for the season. You see when Easter come? My mother fry one pot of sprat big so one pan of sprat big so she just put it down in the middle of the dining table. She put one thing of hard bread, not the whole wheat. Everybody were in the whole wheat bread, my happy for you, but it have no place to be with sprat. It don't go with sprat. Put it down two slices of two loaf of hard bread and one thing I think, and she don't talk to her for the rest of the day because she has fed you for the entire day. You yam sprat till you're full. Sometimes if you're lucky, she put on a pear. Because you know say pear go with everything. Pear go with every single thing. There is nothing in this world that pear don't go with. When you're really tired of sprat, now you go to your balance, and me can't buy no more sprat, me can't take no more sprat. She crush out some sardine and put it between the hard bread and give you. Oh, that's sweet yourself because you're gone out the door with your sardine sandwich. And when night comes, she steam the fish and give it to you. This is the best part of your life. You ever eat the sprat and the bun? I know it's only for the adventurous. I know several people who never try it. Try it. Sprat and bun. It'll work. Take my word for it, it a work. Easter is the only time when your mother will see you drink 2 liters of cola champagne soda and don't say nothing to you, because Easter for Jamaicans is for nyamming. It is for thanking Jesus for his dying for our sins and nyamming. Apparently, this is how we celebrate the crucifixion. By the way, you see the man them a walk through the street with the cross? Watch news today, and I see it. Yo, I saw me realize that my decision said me and give up sweet sex and self-doubt for late don't stand for anything, because these people are literally walking across through the streets. Me not do not with my life. Nothing with my life. Yeah, Sprat for everything. And finally, what happened on Easter? Moses, 10 Commandments, Ben-Hur. Me hear say them get up to date now and Passion of Christ start play on TV. You don't have to worry about programming. If you work down at what used to be JBC is now TVJ, you not even have to bother come work if you're not the programming department, because all of those movies is 4 hours each and them are putting advertisement in there. You're getting 6 hours out of each movie. You only need 4 of those to take up an entire day. You know, some actually go online, go find 10 Commandments and sit down and watch it. I saw them broke my bad. If Easter come, you are watching 10 Commandments, and there is no two ways about that. When Easter come, my mother also used to get me like, my Easter colors, you know, these light colors are for Easter. My mother used to get Easter frock make for me, and it's always one of them skirt that have like, them call them 3 sister skirts, where them have the 3 tier of material that come down, so like the skirt, the frock, heavy. It's not. Some of the things I used to put us in were not cute. And I can't go road before crucifixion because my mother know the exact hour that Christ was crucified, and I cannot go road before that. Actually, it is preferable if I don't go road at all. But if I must go to road, I cannot go before crucifixion till I get bad and start go beach juve. But I still have to sit down in the house and wait till after crucifixion to left. And who used to get up and crack egg and them something there uptown people poach egg. Lot of set of people like fling with the egg in the water and look for signs in night and them type of stuff. Them a miss Jamaica, you know. I'm a miss Jamaica come Easter time. It's a whole heap of things are going up with, you know. And who not go a kite festival? And who not go out Jamaican Easter are the best Easter. Anybody who is not Jamaican and don't come from an Easter where them have Easter egg and them something. Only time I want to do for Easter because I well want here. Anywhere you are, Jamaica 50 is coming up. I'm going to be doing some vlogs. Check out the Jamaica 50 side for Canada, and check out that don't have Jamaica don't lodge a Jamaica 50 side. But anyway there, and you have a Jamaican diaspora there, there's a Jamaica 50 event. Get involved in it. Also check out the Help JA Children campaign. I'm gonna put the information down there. So Ray, me turn real blog, I become start part down there, so I'm telling you what the fuck them I got there. Yeah, right down there, so the information I got there. Be safe, everybody going to beach Japan and people there. Yo, don't the drunk driving thing. If you're drunk, walk. Call taxi. When you reach out at the end of the road, taxi I got there for stone dog. Everybody else, enjoy the weekend. Take care of one another. Be nice to one another. Remember the spirit of the season. It is about being thankful. Find one thing you're thankful for and remember about it every day. Otherwise, read them up. Big up to my mother and my father will be at the good up Easter Monday. Yeah. Bye. When you're buying Easter buns, make sure it's HTB. It's hard to beat because it's got that something quality. Buns. And yes, I still don't know the word.